In this video, I'm going to share with you how I convert a parabolic RSI indicator from ChartPrime into a strategy and automate this. Now, first and foremost, go to Indicators, go to Parabolic RSI, and you will be able to see ChartPrime. Click on this, and the indicator will show on your chart. So, how I would like to use this, first and foremost, I'll go to the settings, I will clear up the style to ensure that I only want to see the signals that are what I wanted, which is your chart strong RSI up and the chart strong RSI down. And the rest, I will just remove it so that it's cleaner for me to see and for you to understand as well. So once I'm done, so how does this strategy work? Very simple. Whenever you see a blue diamond, this is a signal for sell. And whenever you see a orange diamond, there is a signal for buy. So what you need to do here is, or how you would use, normal people will use it, is that you will put this indicator inside, and after you wait hours and hours and hours for the trade to come or for this signal to appear before you enter the trade. So it brings a lot of emotions, brings a lot of discipline issues, and you waste a lot of time. So how can you automate this and build your strategy? Let me show you how. Next, go to Indicators. Under Invite Only, there's this ChartsConnect Strategy Builder. Click on this and go to Settings. Under Style, also remove everything here so that it's cleaner for you when you first do your building of a strategy. All right? And leave tables down there so that it's easy for you to use it later on. Now, so how are you going to do this? First, go back to Settings. Under the Inputs, this is where you put all your inputs in your rules, identify your source, your risk management, and everything inside here, and including your backtest fields as well. So first and foremost, go to Sources. So this is where you will identify the source that you need to put inside in order for you to create your strategy. In this case, for source 1, I'll put RSI buy. So this is your buy signal. And in the sources here, you will be able to see and pull all the information from the indicator, and it will be shown here. So you can see that this is our signal, chart RSI strong. We click it, and you will be able to see that whenever there is a valid signal, there is a blue color line here. I would like to change it to green so that it's easy for us to look at and to monitor. So as you can see, whenever there's a buy signal, there is this green color arrow. Green color arrow. Buy signal, green color arrow. So next thing we need to do is, of course, identify our sell, which is a RSI sell. And with this, of course, is you can go to pick on the charts strong RSI down. So once this is done, you will also see that whenever there is a sell signal, there is a red arrow. So just now, you will be also able to see that there's a table down here that tells you that source number 1 is RSI buy and source number 2 is RSI sell. So go back to your settings, and now once you are already done with identifying your sources, this is where you put your rules. So what we want to do, right? Very simple. Whenever you see the buy signal, buy. Whenever you see the sell signal, you sell. So what do we do here? We go to one source rule 1. So in this example, we have 2 different sources. One is one source rule, one is 2 source rule, right? So for this, because we are only using a one indicator, so we use one source rule, right? So over here, we click on all, and we choose buy when it is source 1, which you can see down here, it is buy, and sell when it is source 2. So what we do is to execute, we put equals to 1. And this we put equals to 1. And you will be able to see that all the signal will have it buy and sell already. How to make it even cleaner, later I will show it to you. And then of course, you can go down and you can choose the different kind of risk measurement module that you like. Would you like to choose it based on the amount of risk per trade, or by contract size, or by the amount of money you want to lose per trade? And of course, your risk measurement module, whether do you want to put it at the price that you like, whether you want to use swing high or swing low, or use ATR. And of course, if you like, you can also have session filters, time filters. You can also have your daily cut off and daily cut loss. right? For all these, I will just uncheck for now and I will click OK. So now you can see what we have done is we have successfully converted a normal indicator from ChartPrime into a strategy that you can now immediately automate this on MT5. So basically, any YouTube indicators that you see now, or you learn from any gurus out there that is teaching you their strategy out of an indicator, you can immediately build it now and automate this. And the best part of it is you can use AI to validate all your trades before entering. So how do I do this? Next, I will go to ChartsConnect. I will create automation. And I will click the second one, which is the create automation. And I will put Parabolic RSI ChartPrime. I'll add the token. And from here, I will be able to see which is a source I'm pulling from. So in this case, it's a TradingView. So I'll click on TradingView. I'll go next. And then where am I sending it to? Forex, IC market, and activate. So once I'm done with this, you'll be able to see that I will need to download an EA, which is a bot, a receiving bot to execute your orders. And you can follow the step-by-step instructions down here to install your bot on MT5. So next, once you're done with that, click I've installed it, and you'll be presented with a connection token. So this connection token is the one that you're going to input into your bot to connect ChartsConnect platform to your MT5. So I will connect this, and I will go to my IC market. I will click on the blue hat here, and I will input email that you open your ChartsConnect account with, which is in the case, it is my email. And I will paste in my token down here and click OK. So once that is done, it will be connecting on its own. Give it 30 seconds or a minute to let it connect. Once that is connected, it will always be establishing connection. Okay, there you have it. It is connected. So once it's connected, you just click I've done this step, and then it will show you that it is connected. So once you're done with that, open the dashboard and you're done. So basically what happened here is you have already connected your ChartsConnect to your MT5. So the last step here is to finish up the last part, which is connecting your TradingView to ChartsConnect. So how do we do that? Over here, there's a master token. Copy this master token, go back to your TradingView. Now go to the settings in your strategy builder and paste your master token down here, right? And click OK. So the last step you want to do is to click on these three dots, add an alert. For this, choose alert function calls only and choose a different respective time frame that you like. And you can even name this as your own strategy, Parabolic RSI, ChartPrime, apply, and here you go. So once you create this, you will be able to track all your different trades from your alert area down here. And you can see that it is activated, it is active right now. So what does this mean is, anytime and every time there is a buy alert, it will automatically fire a trade to MT5. And whenever there is a sell alert, it will automatically fire a trade to MT5 as well. So there you see, now in under 5 minutes, you have created your own Parabolic RSI bot without any code, without programmer, and without having to spend thousands of dollars on it. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe and follow me for more interesting strategies upcoming.